Alright guys, here's how to make a high voltage generator. So a high voltage generator is basically a transformer with a control board. In this case, it's a pulse width modulation controller, which controls the power input to the transformer. And the transformer transforms 6 volts to around 500,000 volts. The system is ran off a 6-volt battery. A word of warning, the transformer will overheat if ran more than 10 seconds without a heatsink, which is why I'm adding a small aluminum pipe as the heatsink. That should give it around 15 to 20 second runtime. Let's get started. So here's a test of the high voltage generator. And there it is, that's a water bridge. And now I can break it by letting go of the voltage and turn it off. Thanks for watching, I hope the video helped.